In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a zigzag line in TradingView. Whether you're just getting started with chart analysis or you're a seasoned trader, being able to annotate your charts with zigzag lines can be quite helpful in tracking market patterns. Let's dive right in and look at the simple steps you can follow to add zigzag lines to your TradingView charts effectively. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the TradingView website. TradingView is a widely used platform where you can access a variety of charts, indicators, and tools to aid your market analysis. Once you've arrived at the TradingView website, go ahead and log into your account. If you're not yet a member, you'll need to sign up to access the platform's full range of features, but for our purpose today, you'll need to ensure you're logged in. With access secured, you'll now be on your main dashboard where you can see your charts. Direct your attention to the drawing tools located typically on the right-hand side of the TradingView interface. Here, you'll want to click on the icon that looks like a brush. The brush tool is your gateway to all the different paths and lines you can draw on your charts, so it's essential for customizing your analysis. After you've clicked on the brush tool, you need to select the path option. The path tool allows for the creation of zigzag lines. It's really straightforward to use. You'll simply need to position your cursor on your chart where you'd like the zigzag to start. Click at each turning point to lay down the line. With each click, a new segment of the zigzag will appear. Follow along the trend or pattern that interests you, clicking along key points you wish to annotate. Once your zigzag line is in place, you may find that you wish to change its color to better suit your chart's theme or to differentiate it from other annotations. This is easily done by clicking on the pencil icon. The pencil icon will open up the customization settings where you'll see options for color adjustment. Just click on the color you prefer, and your zigzag line will instantly update, making your chart visualizations clearer and more personalized. And that's it. You've successfully drawn a zigzag line on your TradingView chart. Remember, this tool is quite versatile and can greatly enhance your ability to note and follow market trends. Feel free to experiment with the different customization options to make sure each line serves your intended purpose. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy trading, and may your analysis always steer you in the right direction.